Ito pa may mga ribbon, may mga prizes sila, may mga awards. Ito pa may mga awards. Ayan. Okay. Ito dami baka maubos ang aking memory card. So this is the orchids room pala. Entrada pa lang yung kanina. So ito yung dami. Very beautiful. Lots of beautiful flowers. All the same colors. But they are beautiful. Wowie, 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 wowie. This is the pussycat tail. Pussycat tail. That's the pussycat tail. So cute. Pussycat tail. Hi, Sarah. Ang ganda niya. Ayaw nila dito. Ang anak ko hindi mahilig. Meow, 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 meow. Wow, orange. I seldom see orange. Ang ganda ni Pussycat tail. Aquatic water side. This one is ano naman siya, cactus. Welcome to Cactus Island. This is the cactus areas. Very dry. Yung cactus ang ganda kasi nagaano sila, nakaano sila sa kuha sa wow, giant one. Ang gaganda. Wow, ang gaganda. Oh, ang gaganda. Okay.
You set everything first and when we're done.
I already set. Just a quick one. Siniling, di ata nakuha silang